Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode. We're gonna make this one short and sweet, unlike the movie last week. We're gonna talk quick about the car care stuff, some things going around the shop, and then I'm gonna get out of here. So let's talk about the car care. First off, thank you guys, every one of you guys out there who have purchased stuff, used it, put it to the test, bought more, threw away all your old stuff, and only use the stuff. I appreciate you guys out there. Thanks for all the pictures, all the videos, all the comments, and all the DMs thanking me for creating such a great product and for using this stuff and giving it a shot. I know when it comes to your own personal car, it's really tough to take something you like and set it to the side and use something else in hopes that it's gonna work as good. So I appreciate all you guys out there who've actually given me a shot and tried this stuff. And like I told you, stuff works fantastic. So speaking of this stuff, last 2.5 months I've been in the works of designing a new product. I want something that works really well for satin and matte paint, satin and matte wraps, because now that I'm dealing with detailers and in the detail industry, I've come to realize that there's quite a bit of a demand for that as well. And also something that works on patina. Now why is that important for me or us here at Eye Candy in a custom paint shop where we're trying to put out super high end, super high glossy finishes? Well, it's very important because over the last decade, I can't tell you how many vehicles I painted the engine bay satin, the interior satin, or heck, we even got a truck in the back right now for Tim. We're painting the entire truck satin. And that's not the first one. I think that's the 4th one or 5th one we've done in the last decade. So where is that important? It's important in a truck like this, Brasco, my old truck. The exterior of this truck is shiny. You can clean that with the perpetual shine. The interior is satin. You can't clean it with the perpetual shine. Why? Because it'll ruin it. What I mean by ruining it is if you look at the shine or the sheen on a satin or matte, it looks a lot different than the gloss. You take something like this product here, or even a wax, or the Boss Gloss, or heck, you could probably almost rub it with your finger and kind of ruin it. It'll leave it like shiny looking. It ruins the finish. So what do? Clean it with Windex, wipe it out with water? There's no protection in that. So I wanted to come up with a product that smelled great, because all the products smell great, but actually worked specifically for that stuff and actually gave us some protection. So I have a product coming out. I'm stoked for it. I can't wait for you guys to try it out, for you guys who it will work for. Spread the word. It's called Sugar Free. It'll be dropping here in the shop probably within about a month. Then as soon as I have it in hand, I'll put up an announcement. It'll be up on the website for purchase. Now let's talk about what's going on in the shop. Jared's bagger, all prepped out. Time to stage it, get the thing painted. Man, that's gonna be a cool bike, man. It's going black with ice pearl, with a violet ice pearl. That thing's gonna be killer. Lots of clear. I can't wait to paint that thing. I'm super stoked to do it. Tim's truck is rounding, I'd say, rounding home plate almost. It's about ready to come off the blocks and get finalized and in the booth and get painted as well. That's the truck I just mentioned is going satin. And speaking of satin, we got all the black satin painted for Steven's 6400, except for the stacks. We got to bodywork those first, but all the stuff I had in the booth in the last episode is all painted. We got the 57 Chevy, all back together after being painted, buffed, and that has gone down the road as well. So let's just check out this quick clip from the week, and then we'll get out of here.
Top down, hear the sound of the breeze carrying us away. Dust in the rear view, free as a bird. This is our time, no matter what they say. Every mile behind only brought us here. Now the road is clear. Shotgun ride on my Friday night. Sunset fire burning in our eyes. Let's leave the past in the past and deal with it another day. All we got is this open road. No plans, just a cranked up radio. Ain't promising forever, ain't no end in sight. Girl, I'm loving the ride. Can't you feel this is real, you and me? Nothing in our way. Baby, we weren't born to run. Take the back road, let's make a great escape. Cause this life moves fast and we can't stop time. So put your hand in mine. Shotgun ride on my Friday Sunset fire burning in our eyes. Let's leave the past in the past, deal with it another day. All we got is this open road, no plans, just a cranked up radio. Ain't promising forever, ain't no end in sight. Girl, I'm loving the ride. Don't matter where we're going, don't matter what we do, long as we got each other, just me and you. Shotgun ride on my Friday night, sunset fire burning in our eyes. Let's leave the past in the past and deal with it another day. All we got is this open road, no map, just the stars to light the road. Ain't promising forever, ain't no end in sight. Oh, nothing lasts forever, but we can sure as hell try. Girl, I'm loving the ride.